Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this glittery resin turtle figurine. To make the mold, I sculpted a turtle body in polymer clay and I separated the head and the legs so that I could cast them separately from each other. This way the body can be a different color than the legs and head. Originally I wanted this to be a 3D mold so that every bit would look like a turtle, but as I started making more and more resin pieces, the mold started to deteriorate. I absolutely love this solar flare glitter. It is a very heavy glitter, so it does not stay suspended in resin, but that is okay. It will sink to the bottom, but that's what I want for this. I ended up mixing 2 tablespoons of resin. I'm going to use paint for this to color the resin, but you could also use alcohol inks. As you can see, all of the glitter has sank to the bottom. I really like this paintable super glue. It's a lot less messy than regular super glue. Now I'm just going to fill in any air bubbles that got trapped in the resin, which there's usually quite a few. And then I also secure the joints between the legs, head, and the body. An option would be to leave this little bottom open so that you can see through it, but I'm just going to paint over it. You could also leave the top of this turtle unglazed because it does kind of have a cool effect to it, but I'm just going to glaze it just to show you what the glazed version would look like. that is it. That's the finished turtle. I hope you enjoyed. Stick around and I'll show you some more that I've done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.